If you want, if you would like the sun, we go down. If not, we stay at the top. So we go. We're gonna stay out. It's too hot on the pavement, I think. Wow. That's we've never been here. This could be a what? What's this? Tomorrow then. Can try it.
But tomorrow we go that direction.
Wow. I don't know whether the other sides are as fun as this side. Whenever I post pictures of this side or videos, I seem to get more in terms of the views. And so you pretty much wonder.
It's all not all about your videos.
Well, maybe not.
You wanted to check out that hotel. That's a first stop.
Yes.
And then
Oh yeah, the new.
The flip-flops.
Depends whether we go through the reception or whether we would like it to be.
The last stop was going to be my shop, which is carrying a dog.
Oh, that's a fun way of carrying a dog. Maybe it's too warm for the dog.
Too far. These tiny legs. Imagine how much that sea does times 4.
Against the sun now. It's going to be almost the opposite of what we want. Well, you want different text. Yes. Roman style. Now it's called the style of women's.
The summer, at this time of the year, maybe you don't need the camera. Not that hot. It's only 20 something.
That's what I think. An African after all.
Whatever is left of it. I only see it when I see your sister. And then I see some very similar features in your face.
She wants to make me. She wants me back.
What does she want to offer us?
She's fine. I'm not worried about her because she causes me less worry. But unfortunately, she's kind of, she may not be. But anyway, let's not. It's fine. Akimi, that's Morocco. Where can we actually watch there's actually a big competition going on between African football nations. It's almost like the Euros.
Like Egypt and always involved in that sport.
Yeah, so currently countries have been in.
I never understood why people sit down there.
I think it's first linked to where they live, and maybe look at those pictures. dat de Belgian? Oh, God. Oh, yeah.
Denzel Washington. Look at Denzel Washington.
You're the
I think those guys sometimes surprises me. It's as if they've been in England. They can't joke. You know, when they talk about chicken nuggets or something. It's funny.
so funny. I can imagine that white people will say, oh, you like Denzel Washington.
Yeah, I remember Ellen Barton being obsessed with one of the singers.
That she said he looked like him.
Yeah, each time I put on some glasses.
Oh, but I mean, as I said, I can imagine that from white people.
Yeah.
But from I don't expect.
I expect it from kids.
Yeah, boys, little boys.
You know, when going to Finland, oh, Michael Jordan, because they have no
reference. The only other correct person they know is Michael Jordan. It's a bit dangerous here, to be careful. Let him as well.
Just let him pass. The beauty of having a camera anyway, it makes everyone behave properly. It's a busy place. Busy. Camino reservato peatones.
Pedestrians.
St. Anthony, Sir Anthony. Or is it just a restaurant or something?
It seems new.
And the entrance would be where?
Probably on the street side. Probably have to see unless that's far from where it's from the new hotel, the Cleopatra.
I always get excited when they see me, those guys. You know,
Well, they don't often see a tourist, these African members.
I know.
We only know them selling bags in the street or doing some crazy fun act with a balloon or serving. Not even that. Not even seeing serving.
Yeah. They do have. You think this is Sir Anthony?
No idea. Can I take a picture of it? Well, you know what I think it was here before.
explored areas
No, it's just a hotel,
on
right?
this side. But we'll book it one day. Just
Well, I think if you come out of this season, prices drop tremendously.
I hope so.
For the price you pay now where we are, pay this, you can get this for the same amount.
Yeah.
That's alright.
There are many people looking during this period. You can even see the subscription. He saw me and then he lost his mind. He was asking himself, oh,
Can it be? Can it really be?
can it really be?
Do I also need to buy my
This is still
earrings
the
and
same.
travel?
This side is still the old
Yeah. That's the old Cleopatra, it's called.
she's keeping the guards.
It's a milkshake.
What?
It's a milkshake.
Cool.
First time that wobble.
Ah,
Because bikinis don't support much,
well, it depends on what you want, whether you want it supported or not. If the husband